Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to swap faces in Photoshop the easiest way. First, open your Photoshop and import two images that you would like to swap faces. Once imported, go to the first photo. Then, select Lasso tool and outline the face you want to transfer. After that, select the Move tool. Drag face and move to the target file. Then, go to the layer panel, then decrease opacity to 50%. Next, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right-click and click Flip Horizontal. Drag image and resize image accordingly. Now press Enter. Now set the opacity back to 100. Then, let's make a copy of the background by pressing Ctrl J. Hold Ctrl, then click on the thumbnail to select the face. Then, go to Image, Adjustments, and Match Colors. Under Source, select the document name. Select Background Copy, then click OK. Then go to Select, Modify, and choose the contrast. Adjust this to 6 pixels depending on the size of your image. After that, just disable the top layer and the bottom layer. Now select the background copy. Go to Edit and then select Clear. Go to Select and click on Deselect. After that, enable the top layer and hold down the Shift key to select both layers. And lastly, go to Edit and choose Auto Blend Layers. Select Stack Images and click OK. And that's it! You've successfully swapped faces in Photoshop easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!